We are going to look at the Mixer section of the Color Mixer tab in the Develop panel. The Color Mixer has three main controls: hue, saturation, and luminance, which can be used on each color independently. Hue adjusts a particular color closer to one of the other two relative colors. For example, yellow can become more orange or more green. Saturation controls the intensity of a color. It is important to pay attention not to push these sliders too far, where the color may start to become muddy or break out in an unwanted area, like the blue here. Luminance adjusts how dark or bright a color is. Look at how the reds change. All will display all three controls. There is a useful tool to help choose the color accurately. For example, these cans look green, but if you move the green saturation slider to desaturate, nothing happens. Notice the little cog icon. If we click on this, and then click on one of our green cans, and hold down the left mouse button, and move the mouse downwards, we will see the aqua and blue sliders moving to the left and our cans desaturating. Next, to adjust, we have two options. HSL, which simply stands for hue, saturation, luminance, which we have just been looking at, and color. Color does the exact same thing as HSL. It just displays the hue, saturation, and luminance controls under each individual color. The colors with little dots under them are the colors that have had alterations made to them. You can choose to see all the colors at once by clicking on the rainbow wheel. Any changes made to the sliders in HSL or color will be visible in both. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.